Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather seats, tinted glass, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.